take a empty bottle. This had juice inside of it. So just like a tall bottle. And you pour some hydrogen peroxide inside of it. And some dish soap. You can use Dawn, whatever dishwashing liquid you have. And food coloring. We used green.
And what are we making today?
What are we making?
Remember what it's called? Anybody?
Elephant toothpaste. So then you take your yeast and you pour warm water into it.
Okay, where's the yeast again?
Oh,
Yeast. Yes. Where's show and tell?
it stinks. Stir it up.
Saying it stinks.
You gotta stir it up.
Oh, God. That stinks.
Sing it, Victor.
Smell something.
Sing it louder. Can you hear him sing
I don't know. What is he singing?
Stir, stir, stir it up.
Oh my goodness. We went back to preschool.
Okay. Now, I'm going to use the final salt or spill this everywhere all over myself.
Wait, hold on. Let's think about this. You want to put it underneath something?
No, I'm gonna let it spill all over the table.
No, you don't want that mess. You hold on. Wait a minute. We don't want to put it in the bowl. We'll just look at the bowl.
You like a mess?
No. Oh my.
It's more scientific.
Dun 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 dun.
It's right.
Dun dun
We
dun
gotta see if our
dun.
bottle's too tall.
Dun 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 dun.
If our bottle's too tall, it won't come out.
It's coming out.
Yay!
Success.
Is that gas?
Yes.
Solid?
Solid.
Liquid.
Yes. Liquid.
Liquid.
Looks like a liquid.
But the bubbles look like what?
It smells like beer. It smells like beer.
You
Bubbles.
smell this?
Yeah.
The bubbles are the gas.
Hey, that was kind of pretty.
Yeah, this is a nice green. Touch it.
Go ahead. Don't be scared. Yeah. Touch it, Britt.
I know, right?
Oh,
Oh, it's warm. It's
Warm
warm.
water.
It's warm. And James' favorite color is...
Green.
Come here, Tori.
careful.
He got
with
some.
that blue shirt.
Now we are officially out of quarantine. Okay, this is glass, so I'll be taking that back. Thank you so much.
Little things.